we are going to add and subtract rational expressions now. And we want to start with the simplest case, which is when our denominators are the same, so common denominators. And so we're going to remember that there's a rule with fractions. If we have a over b plus c over b, this simply becomes a plus c over b as long as the denominators are the same. And so we're going to start with a case like x squared minus 42 over x plus 5 plus 7 minus 2x over x plus 5. So now we notice that our x plus 5 is the same, and so all we do is add along the top. And we keep that one copy of the bottom the same. So this gives us x squared minus 2x minus 35 over x plus 5. So now we just need to factor this. Factors of minus 35 that out to minus 2, or minus 7 and x plus 5, all over x plus 5. And we recognize that we have the same factor on the top and on the bottom, so it divides out. And we're left with just x minus 7 as our answer. When we add x squared minus 42 over x plus 5 plus 7 minus 2x over x plus 5, we end up with x minus 7. Alright, what about subtraction? Suppose we have 9x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 6x minus 2 over x plus 1. So again, we're going to do the same thing. Notice the parentheses, and it's more important when we're subtracting to the parentheses, but the reason we can do this is because they're both x plus 1s. So this is all over just 1x plus 1. Distribute the negative. 9x minus 6x is 3x. 1 plus 2 is 3. We factor our top to get a 3 times x plus 1 over x plus 1. And when we divide out the common factors, our final result is 3. So 9x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 6x minus 2 over x plus 1 always results in 3. But notice the process to add or subtract the polynomials at the top, factor our result, and then simplify our factored result. Our last example is one that is similar but not quite the same. Suppose we have 3y minus 4 over y minus 4 plus 4 over 4 minus y. And if you look closely, these are similar, but y minus 4 does not equal 4 minus y. However, if we take the minus y plus 4 and pull out a negative, now they're almost the same. They're just this negative. So if we move the negative either to the front or the top, I'm going to move it to the top just to emphasize the point. Now I have the same denominator. So if the only difference between your denominators is a sign, then factor out a negative and move it to the top. And then this results in 3y plus a minus 4 over y minus 4. And we try and factor 3y minus 4, but we're prime here, and we're prime here. So neither factors, and we're left with our single result, which is 3y minus 4 over y minus 4.